इस बीच कॉर्पोरेट इंडिया आजकल कई सारे एमओयू साइन कर रहा है। इनफैक्ट तमिलनाडु में एक बैठक हुई है जहां पर कई दिग्गज कंपनियों ने दरअसल तमिलनाडु की सरकार के साथ कुछ करार साइन किए हैं। उन्हीं में से एक है ब्रिगेड ग्रुप रियल एस्टेट कंपनी। इन्होंने दरअसल तमिलनाडु सरकार के साथ 3,400 करोड़ के इन्वेस्टमेंट का करार साइन किया है। अगले 3 से 4 सालों में ये निवेश होता हुआ दिखाई देगा। इससे पहले कंपनी खबरों में रही है। मैसूर में एक लग्जरी रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट ये लॉन्च कर चुके हैं। बेंगलोर में कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए भी इन्होंने एक एमओयू साइन किया था। इन सब पर बातचीत करने के लिए ब्रिगेड ग्रुप के ईडी प्रद्युमन कृष्ण कुमार हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं। Sir, thank you for taking time out for CNBC Awaaz. If you could give me highlights firstly of this MOU that you signed with the Tamil Nadu government, 3,400 crore. What is it that you would be investing in? Would they be residential properties, or is it the commercial market that the company would be investing in?
Morning, and thank you for having me on your show. And thanks for English, because I'm not too good with Hindi, so excuse me for that. Yes, so we have signed about totally 2 MOUs for about 3,400 crores. One with the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority for a little more than 2,000 crores, and one with ELCOT, which is on the technology side of it, which is about 1,400 crores. So with ELCOT, it's going to be more of a commercial development that we are talking to them about, and with respect to the CMDA, which is the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority, it's the residential developments that we have done.
So in the residential development, is it going to be one project or multiple projects that Brigade would be investing in or beginning?
Yeah, so we have already signed for 4 projects in total, with a future expansion in mind for the residential bit of it with the CMDA. As far as what we have signed for projects which are already identified, 2 of them are residential in the IT belt of Sholinganallur. It's considered among the best residential markets in the city, and we have earlier this year earlier last year, in fact, we picked up prime property in the heart of the city from the TVS family.
Right.
So yes. So over there, we are also planning to do a mixed-use development with a significant portion of commercial in it. So we have included that with ELCOT, and we have also picked up another office development for IT in the southern belt again for IT development.
Okay. If you could give me an idea as to what kind of realizations do you enjoy in a market like Chennai, because last week we were talking to other real estate players, and we've noticed significant price realizations in the Bangalore market, in markets like Gurgaon, perhaps Mumbai has been steady, Kolkata has been steady. How is it looking for Chennai?
So we've had a strong presence in the residential segment in Chennai for the last 3 to 4 years. In fact, I can say that we've had a very good run last 3 years, both from a sales momentum as well as from a price realization perspective. In fact, we are priced, of course, premium because of our brand and the type of developments that we deliver. But we've been very, very positive over there. The market has responded very, very well to us. I would say quite similar in fact in terms of how Bangalore keeps responding to us. I think that's the kind of demand that we've seen for both Chennai for both the Chennai projects that is currently ongoing over there. In fact, the ones that we have already signed, we expect gross development values of about for the ones that we've signed with CMDA, for example, we expect about 2,800 crores as far as the realization goes.
Okay.
And with ELCOT closer to 3,000 crores. So okay, we are confident the market is very positive for us over there.
If you could also give me an idea, considering you have recently announced that Mysore project. Now this will be primarily a luxury project, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, so it is a residential luxury project. It's 4 acres of land. Land itself is about 4 acres. We are developing approximately 300,000 square feet or closer to 400,000 square feet. And we expect to realize about 300 crores from the Mysore project.
And per square foot, what are these flats available at, just to get an understanding, because we know what the price in Mumbai is and it's skyrocketing at all times, and people normally think perhaps, you know, buying land around or buying a property around Mysore or on the outskirts of Bangalore or even Chennai would be cheaper, but is that the case?
No, in fact, my friends in Mumbai keep making fun of me when I talk about a luxury product, 2,000 square feet plus, and I say 1.5 crores is what you would have to spend. You know, they make fun of me. So many times, you know, we keep joking in Bangalore that, you know, Bangalore's selling price, if I could use that term, is Mumbai's margin. And therefore, you know, therefore a lot of, you know, developers probably see Mumbai to be a very attractive location, therefore.
Yeah, no, the joke's on us buyers, actually, if you're buying property in Mumbai, not on you guys for sure. What is the kind of visibility that you have for 2024? If you could give me an understanding in terms of sales, how are your pre-sales numbers looking at this point in time? Any project that's completely sold out in the recent past?
So you'll have to just excuse me on a few of those points because of the point in time that we are in as far as Q3 goes.
Yes.
But having said that, in you know, up to Q2 we've had you know, very strong numbers. We are looking, our sales momentum continues to be very, very strong. Over the next 4 quarters, in fact, what we had mentioned about 3 months ago, we plan to launch about 11 million square feet in the residential segment. And in markets which we see are very, very strong, with strong demand drivers, very IT focused, especially in Bangalore. So that's what we have in store for the next 4 quarters in the residential side.
How about the commercial side? And is the demand picking up for commercial at this point in time?
Yes, so in Q2 again, we had a strong quarter in Q2. We leased about a little more than 300,000 square feet. Traction, as we have communicated a little while earlier, continues to be strong in Q3. And as of Q2, we had about 0.9 million square feet yet to be leased in our overall portfolio of about close to 9 million square feet. So even that, we have seen some good traction. And we are confident that in the next 2 quarters to 3 quarters, we would have leased out our entire portfolio.
Thank you very much for taking time out and pleasure speaking to you. Good luck for 24.
Thank you. Pleasure was mine. Thank you.
तो स्ट्रॉन्ग कमेंट्री आती हुई, और ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप घर खरीदने की सोच रहे हैं, मुंबई स्टैंडर्ड से काफ़ी सस्ते में आपको 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का घर आसानी से चेन्नई में मिल सकता है, सिर्फ 1.5 करोड़ पर। लेकिन देखिए, वहाँ पर भी लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी की डिमांड काफ़ी ज़्यादा ज़ोरदार है। कंपनी कह रही है कि करीब 11 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट रेजिडेंशियल सेगमेंट में उपलब्ध रहेगी सेल्स के लिए। साथ ही साथ कमर्शियल की भी डिमांड ट्रेंड्स बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत है। स्टॉक एक आउट परफॉर्मर रहा है पिछले पूरे साल, और अब भी 3-3.25% के गेन्स यहाँ पर। पंकज, नजर गई है क्या आपकी ब्रिगेड एंटरप्राइजेस पे?
जी हर्षिता जी, पिछले जब मैं सीजन खेल रहा था खिलाड़ी का, तब मैंने ब्रिगेड ये स्टॉक रिकमेंड भी किया था। एंड अभी चार्ट्स के ऊपर भी काफी लुक्रेटिव नजर आ रहा है। मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा एक कंडीशनल बाय होगा। अगर ये 973 के ऊपर इंट्राडे में अगर सस्टेनेबल क्लोज देता है, तो डेफिनेटली इसके अंदर एक बाइंग करनी चाहिए फॉर द टारगेट ऑफ 1150। ये शॉर्ट टर्म के टारगेट रहेंगे मैम।
1150 के शॉर्ट टर्म के टारगेट्स रहेंगे। चलिए काम करते हैं, इस मोड पर लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक के बाद ऑफ कोर्स एक रिकैप लेकर आएंगे खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 का।